Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you where the Analyze Data button has moved in the latest Excel update. Many users think it has disappeared or is missing, but don't worry, it's still there. It has just been relocated. Recently, Microsoft updated Excel and made some changes to the interface. The old Analyze Data button, which used to appear on the Home tab, is now moved. The Analyze Data option is now located under the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. So now, whenever you want insights, charts, summaries, and trend analysis, simply go to Select Data tab, then choose Analyze Data. Microsoft reorganized some tools to make the interface cleaner. Since Analyze Data is a data-related feature, they moved it to the Data tab to keep similar tools together. So that's it. Analyze Data is not missing. It's now inside the Data tab. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.